My name is Lakshman Kumar Rai. I am from India, Delhi, and I am 21 years old.
My name is Megha. I'm from Delhi, India, and I'm 20 years old.
Hello, my name is Ankit Lakra and I'm 22 years old and I'm from India, Delhi.
Hi, my name is Kalpana Bisht and I'm 20 years old and I'm from India in Delhi.
When I was 16 years old, at that time I found this sport in park when I like used to go for playing other sports like football, cricket. At that time I like found this sport and I love this sport playing. So,
Uh, I found the ultimate frisbee sport when I was 11, and I found it through my brother, elder brother. He also used to play in park, so he introduced me and tell me like go enjoy. So I love like in ultimate like it is mixed gender sport. So I really like that and I joined through that.
Yeah, I started playing in 2015 when I was 13 years old, and same as Mega. Mega's brother was my friend. I used to play cricket with him, and he asked me to play frisbee and come to the park, and then I just went and played. Like yeah, and I had fun playing with other genders as well. So yeah, it was great to play with mix. It was my first time I was playing with girls, and I was very nervous and also yeah, it was excited also. So I loved this sport.
अ, जो मेरा फ्रेंड है उन्होंने मीट करवाया था मुझे अल्टीमेट फ्रिस्बी के थ्रू सेम लाइक मेघा का भाई है वो और लाइक जर्नी लाइक सेम एलेक्स की तरह है मेरी मैं भी पार्क में गई और मैंने खेलना स्टार्ट किया मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट आया क्योंकि उसमें लड़के थे और मैंने कभी लड़कों के साथ खेला नहीं था और मुझे वो एक्सपीरियंस लेना था तो इसलिए मैंने वो अल्टीमेट जॉइन किया और मुझे घूमने का मौका मिला तो आई रियली एन्जॉय दैट दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जॉइन
when I started playing Ultimate, so I was very uh, angry when I play like other sport. So I have an like anger issue. At that time also like anger issue was very high, and after playing Ultimate Frisbee, my anger issue like became lesser and lesser. So now I am good at like anger issue, and also my time management was very bad before Frisbee. When I joined Frisbee, after that like I got to know like how to manage things and like your personal things and like other things. So now yeah, I'm good at those things. So
For me, like when I started playing Ultimate Frisbee, so Ultimate Frisbee is mainly like mixed gender sport. So my family was not supporting me. So because I was going and playing with boys, so at that time I was like very upset and like uh, I was mostly like I was giving up. But at that time I pushed myself and like I learned how to deal with it and how to not give up and keep it up. And I learned like communication skills and like lot of things. So ultimate means a lot for me.
Yeah. For me, frisbee means a lot to me because I have learned many things from frisbee. So when I started playing frisbee, I was like 12 years old and I was used to smoke due to influence of my family and my friends. So yeah, but when I started frisbee, I really wanted to play at better level, but s- because of that, I had to quit smoking, and which was really great thing. My teammates and my all bhaiya, didi who mentored us, who taught us frisbee, they were very supportive. They explained me what are the side effects of smoking, and also but slowly, like I took time, but I quit smoking after a time. So it was really good thing. And then how I I learned discipline, like how you be disciplined to something. To if you want to get something, you have to work hard. Have to be disciplined. So before frisbee, whenever there's a match, I used to play cricket basically. So in cricket, we all decide time 6 a.m. and then we reach there by 7, 8:30. So yeah, but when I came to frisbee, it was like no, it's the time is 6. You have to come before 6. So yeah, the punctuality and then discipline, and you have to play better. You need better sleep and all. So these things I learned from frisbee, and I just want to pay it forward to the next generation I coach. So yeah, thank you.
या तो या जिस जगह से मैं आती हूँ वो इंडिया में एक दिल्ली नाम जगह है, और उसके अंदर एक जम्मतपुर विलेज है जहाँ से हम बिलोंग करते हैं। तो जिस एरिया से मैं आती हूँ आई थिंक वो काफ़ी स्मॉल एरिया है, और वहाँ के थॉट्स जो लोगों के हैं वो बहुत अलग है। तो जब मैंने फ्रिस्बी खेलना स्टार्ट किया था तो वहाँ पे शॉर्ट्स पहनना अलाउड, मतलब शॉर्ट्स पहन के खेला जाता था। तो जब मैं शॉर्ट्स पहन के अपने गली से निकलती थी तो वहाँ के लोग बोलते थे कि मेरे पेरेंट्स को बोलते थे कि ये तो लड़की है, शॉर्ट्स पहन के जा रही है, मतलब तुम लड़कियों को इतना अलाउ क्यों कर रहे हो, रात को लेट आती है। तो मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे बोला, मेरी मम्मी ने बोला मुझे कि अ, इतना लेट नहीं आना है और शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहनना है। तो मैंने मम्मी के साथ आर्गुमेंट किया कि मुझे जाना है। तो मम्मी ने बोला कि जाना है तो ओके जाओ, लेकिन तुम वापस आते समय एक लोअर पहन के आना ताकि लोगों को बोलने का मौका ना मिले। तो वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी ऐसे लगा कि हाँ, मुझे कहीं न कहीं सपोर्ट मिल रहा है टीम में, फैमिली में, तो काफ़ी अच्छा फ़ील हो रहा था। सम टाइम कभी-कभी लेट आ जाते तो इनमें से मेरे टीम में से बॉयज़ जो है वो मुझे पिक करने आते थे, पिक करके वापस लेके जाते थे। तो काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट था। सेम नाउ मैंने क्या सीखा अल्टीमेट से, जब मैं खेलती थी तो मुझे बहुत एंगर इशू था। मैं ऑन फील्ड मैं किसी को खुश नहीं समझती थी, मैं ऐसा आर्ग्यूमेंट करती थी। नाउ मैं बहुत चिल रहती हूँ, मेरे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि क्या स्कोर अप जा रहा है, डाउन जा रहा है, क्या सामने वाला मुझे बोल रहा है। मैं बहुत कामली रहती हूँ ऑन फील्ड। एंड मैं अभी एक फ़ेलोशिप कर रही हूँ। जो भी मैंने अल्टीमेट फ्रिस्बी सीखा है वो मैं सब आगे जनरेशन को सिखा रही हूँ। मैं भी एज़ अ पीटी टीचर काम कर रही हूँ, और जो मेरा वर्क प्लेस है वो मेरे घर से काफ़ी दूर है। तो मुझे वहीं पे रहना पड़ता है, वहीं पे अपना पूरा दिन निकालना पड़ता है, और मैं वीकेंड पे अपने घर जाती हूँ और बच्चों को सिखाती हूँ वहाँ पे।
When I started Ultimate Frisbee, so I saw some matches. I heard something about WUC, so 2016 I think. So I was looking for that video in YouTube and all, and then I started playing like with my teams in competitive levels also. So that was my dream to come here, because in I think 8 years this is happening now. So I'm very excited to play here, and I'll like exploring Australia also. So yeah, it's been good for me, and yeah, very excited for the WC.
For me, it means a lot because like many people did not get this opportunity. So I'm very grateful that I am getting this, and I'm able to show my hard work and everything that I have did. So I'm very grateful.
So it's like being here is mean it's like my dream come true moment, because this is my first ever international tournament. So since because of many things, one of the main reason is a financial. So thanks to Wild Ultimate for sponsoring us for this WC. So, and when I represent India at world level, so the kids we coach, they also see us, yeah, this our bhaiya is doing at international level. They also get inspiration to do more better day by day. So this is something really I like, and yeah, so this means a lot to me.
For me, this is my second time in Australia, and really like that moment. And yeah, मेरे लिए काफ़ी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट है, क्योंकि लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट है मेरे बिहाइंड लोगों के। तो मेरे को भी वो एफर्ट दिखाना है, और ये वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप मेरे लिए एज अ एक सिंपल टूर्नामेंट नहीं है, एज अ वर्ल्ड टूर्नामेंट है। और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिली है तो मैं पूरा एफर्ट दिखाऊंगी और मैं उसको अचीव करूंगी। और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अल्टीमेट एंड माय टीम जीके मैड।